All right, guys. So this is the December month, and it's the holidays. So Christmas holidays. So guess what? I'm going to be making Christmas designs. I plan to do a bunch of them, so I'm just going to upload them and drop them. And they're no in particular order. So if I haven't dropped something that you want, leave a comment down below, and I'll let you know if that's going to be coming, or I'll just add it in the mix and go from there. So it's going to be off the cuff. Most of the designs I'm going to do is worker designs. So between 30 seconds to 5-minute designs. And usually the 5-minute designs are mostly the character designs, I would say. The 30-second to 2-minute designs are the quick designs that I normally do at events when there's 100+ families. And during this holidays, you do a lot of those. So those are the ones I'm going to start off with and slowly expand. But I'm also going to give you a variety of other versions. So with that being said, I'm going to do the first one for you guys. All right. So the design that we're going to be doing today is an ornament. So this one's quick and easy. As you can see, it's only 2 balloons. And the benefit about this one also could be a decorating balloon. So if you're a decorator, the balloon decorator, these are perfect because you could just, and also if the kid wants to put it on their Christmas tree, you could do that. So this is like an added feature that you could say, here, put this on your Christmas tree. And the kids love it. Because when I did that, of course, they all wanted it once I did that. Because, hey, I want one on my Christmas tree and this and that. So, and if they have a fake Christmas tree, this works as a fake ornament. So it's perfect. Other than that, I'm going to show it to you right now. All right. So to make the ornament, you only need 2 balloons. So the first balloon I prefer is a metallic gold. So this is the chrome gold, actually. And a round. Any type of round for the bottom of the ornament. So for the gold, if you're using a pump, you just want to pump it once. Grab it. You just push it, pump it once, and that's all you need. So you're only going to need a good hand thumb width length. Okay? And all you're going to do is just make a bunch of pinch twists. You just keep on going until you have no more balloon. So I do about a 1 inch or so. Yeah, 1 inch, another 1 inch. And then I pinch twist the second one. If you've seen all my videos, this is how I do 2 pinch twists real quick. So I pinch twist the second one. And then the first one, I grab the nozzle, but I grab the knot of the nozzle, not the end of the nozzle, the knots of the nozzle. And then I wrap it on the pinch twist so it's nice and tight. So you have 2 pinch twists like that. And then I continue on with a 3rd pinch twist. And I keep going until I have no more balloon. So I'll do 3, 4. 4 is good, but if you keep on going, you can go up to as many as you want. But you want to make it so that, so this one I'm going to have 6. There's 5. And then I'm going to just grab the leftover right here. Just squeeze it nice and tight and just wrap it nice in between the wedges. In between the middle. So you're going to make a flower out of this one. So this one I have 6 balloons, 6 bubbles. Okay. 6 bubbles. And you have this hook. So basically all you're going to do is loop it over and lock it in. And if they want to put it in a purse, you don't want to wrap it yet. You'll wrap it after if they want to put it on their purse, on their purse, because once you wrap it over, they have to really remove it off. So, but I'm going to lock it in because I'm not putting it on a purse. So I'm just going to wrap it, lock it, and just hide that. Or you just don't want to loop it too much. So that's what it is right there. So let me just put it on the bottom right there. So I looped it maybe 2-3 times. And then what you're going to do is you're going to grab a round. So I'm using a wild berry round, and I'm just going to blow it up. This is like the size of an orange. Okay, and then you can just do any entertainment. So you do any entertainment. There we go. All right. I haven't done it in a while since pandemic. So I'm a little rusty. So I'm going to lock it in right here. And where the nozzle is, I'm going to grab the nozzle. Where the knot is, grab it. And I'm going to wrap it around the pinch twists. Just lift it up, lock it in, and drop it down. You don't have to do too much. I just went over and dropped. But as long as I did it around the knot, I know it's locked in nice and tight. So here's your ornament, real fast and real quick. And like I said, it could go on the finger, goes on the tree. Instead of making this ornament, there's a little more you can do as well. And this is what I did for the kids. So I'm gonna take this off, just drop it, get rid of that. So you do the top part. And then you can also use what's called an agate. But this is an 11-inch, so you wanna squeeze it out at the other end. You wanna squeeze it nice and tight so it looks like that. And then once you do is you just tie this nice and tight. So with the agate, it's actually a quad layer. So there's 3 different colors, and the 4th one is, it's a clear, and it's just dipped in a bunch of times. So that's why it looks really nice. And then you just slap this on. This is a little harder because it's thicker. So I'm just gonna slap it on, up and down, and lock it in. And then you have a colorful ornament, which looks pretty cool too, but I promise you make one of these is all you're gonna make. You're gonna make a bunch of these as well. A third way, and if you have the time or if you have the resources, you would light it up. So I would use white to light it up. You would lock it in and you have this ornament. But another way, if you want to put it on your head, I'm using actually a quick link. So the quick link is a second attachment point, so you can put it on a headband. And I have videos on how to put a headband on. I think I'll put a link on how to put the headband on for I think the pumpkin was the last one I did on how to put a headband on. So you do a 6-petal flower, put it on the headband, and then I would just lock this bad boy over. And then grab the top piece, lock this on top. And you have yourself a quick headband. So it's just cool to have if they want to have an ornament look headband piece, and that's what I would do if it's on a headband. So because it's on the headband, you could also color it as well. You know, you could do a design. If you're a design artist, you could do that as well. But if you're in a hurry and you want to make a cool design, another fast way is using this. This is a filigree balloon. So they sell these in print designs. So there's other, check your balloon dealer and see what clear design balloons they have. This is a diamond clear filigree print. So they may have one with snowflakes. They may have one with stars. So you could use those. I use a filigree because it looks really nice. It looks like this. And if you could tell, I just squeezed it to stretch it out, because when you don't, it actually, the imprint just push itself to one side. When you squeeze it, it actually kind of you get more real estate if you squeeze it, because it stretches itself out, and then you have that. So if you put the light in, it looks really nice, but the problem is, what I have a peeve of, I don't like the ball there so that people can see it. So what I do is I do this. I double stuff it. So I use another color, and I use a filigree, and I double stuff it with another color. So to do that, I'm going to show you what I do. So I grab a balloon stick. Here's a balloon stick. And I slide it in. And what I do is, before I just slide it in, I actually stretch it a little bit so it could be more straight, if you see that. So I pull it so it looks nice and straight. Because it's a balloon stick, it won't break the balloon. And then I could roll it right through. Because it's nice and straight, it's easy to just slide it right in. And then you have it right there, like that. And of course, I light this one up. So now that we double stuffed the balloon, the other part, the hardest part of this one is putting a light in the balloon. Because it's double stuffed, it's twice as hard to put light in the balloon. So manually doing it, you're going to be fighting a lot with it. Putting it here with double stuffing it, it actually is a little bit more tougher, but I'm used to it. So what I'm doing is I'm rolling it like I told you, so I can get to the mouth of it, and then I can squeeze it. But I've been doing it for a while. Grabbing the light, shoving it in, so it's in here. I promise it's in there. There it is. And then I just close it, and it rolls right here. So what I do is I blow it up the size of an orange, or like that. And then once you get to this point, you want to stretch the balloon like how I did with the agate, and grab this. I didn't tie it yet, so, but you would tie it, and you just wrap it, have this like this. I did this at my restaurant last year. This was a big hit. And so this was a big hit, but I also did the other ones. But during Christmas, hit this one. But if you don't have that many lights, do this one. They will love this. Out of sight, out of mind. But if you're in a hurry, you have a quick event, use this guy. Use the round. Just use it and go, because you're doing it within 30 seconds, but you're getting an ornament done. So it's pretty cool that at least they're getting something. But if you're doing a restaurant or a party that you have time to wow them, do these. So that's it for this ornaments. So like I said, but a quick tip for this ornament situation is, if you're in a hurry and you have to make quick designs, don't make the ones I have. As you could see, make this guy. You're in a hurry, you only have 30 seconds, and there's a bunch of kids. The benefit is that you could give them a choice of color that they want on the bottom. You could also change your top. It doesn't matter. I use gold because gold does pop a lot, and it's powerful. You could do gold or silver. That's fine. So if you don't use your silver that much, use your silver for this. That's actually a better idea. So that's it for this video. Like I said, leave a comment down below, like, subscribe, you know, the whole deal. But other than that, I'll see you on the next. Right now it's Christmas. Catch you later.